Have you ever had a Gibson cocktail? Yeah, me neither. So a Gibson is a martini that has an onion for a garnish. Now I don't know why. I don't know why that's a new drink, and I don't really know why anyone would keep onions around just for one drink. It's the only drink that anyone's ever heard of that's got an onion in it. So anyway, I don't have any of those onions around, and I don't want a Gibson in the first place, but I did have some green onions lying around that weren't getting used, so I went ahead and I chopped them up and I made them into some green onion vodka. Green onion vodka? What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Now, I only left these in the vodka for a few hours, maybe less than 4 hours, maybe 3 hours, and they came out super intense. The stuff reeks of green onion. It came out like a nice kind of pale green color. Yeah, and it is super oniony. It's weird. So anyway, I don't want to make a Gibson, but it seemed like a reasonable place to start, so I took a few stabs at a recipe, and this is where I ended up. Let's give this a try. It's pretty good actually. It's a little sweet. It's a little, I only put a 1/4 ounce of this onion vodka in, but it's definitely oniony, especially when you got that onion on your nose. This Lillet is really nice. Lillet is nice and soft, a little sweet, slightly herbal. Goes so well with the gin, which is, a little more punchy. I put in these woodland bitters that I have, which are sort of a Doug fir bitters, and I also put in some turmeric bitters, which I have around. And you don't probably need to use those exactly. Some orange bitters, like some Reagan's orange, would probably work fine. But some kind of bitters. I don't want to get too hung up on the bitters. It's actually a lovely drink. As long as you sweeten it up a little bit and don't put too much onion in, it's pretty good. Now, should you run out and infuse some onions? Well, I'm not going to tell you to do that. This is pretty weird. But if you have any other good ideas, go ahead and put them down in the comments. I am not going to make a Bloody Mary because I don't like Bloody Marys. But, something else? What do you do with green onions? It's the best Gibson I ever had. I guess that's it for now. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.